Indiana's News Center continues with the Noon Extra on 21 Alive.
Welcome to the Noon Extra. This is where we take your calls about the daily topic. 483-8331, the number to call. And my guest today is attorney Dave Farnbaugh. Dave, it's nice to have you back.
Corinne, it's good to be back.
We were just talking in the break a little bit about nursing homes, and you brought to my attention a study that I wasn't aware of. What's going on here?
Right. Corinne, there was a recent study that came out in the Indianapolis Star. They did a pretty comprehensive study of the nursing homes in the state of Indiana, and they found out that Indiana ranks actually 51st out of the 50 states. You might say, well, how did we get to 51st? They also counted the District of Columbia.
Okay.
But we rank 51st lowest in quality of nursing homes in the United States.
Wow.
So obviously this was a very troubling study for the legislators and the nursing regulators in Indianapolis when they learned that we ranked dead last in the United States in quality of nursing homes. And they studied a lot of factors, particularly the amount of man hours that were spent for each patient by CNAs and nursing assistants. And they found that we rank once again dead last in the United States. And they found that the for-profit nursing homes were lower in quality than the not-for-profits as well. So that was another result of the study. So what I thought I would suggest today are some things that our viewers can do if you find yourself in a situation with a loved one who you don't feel is receiving appropriate care. There are some things that you can do. Most notably, there is an ombudsman program in the state of Indiana where you can contact a person in our area that's responsible for responding to complaints in nursing homes. And if you want to contact, once again, my office through the website, I will give you all that contact information for the ombudsman.
Okay.
The other thing that you're going to want to do if you have a loved one that's about to go into a nursing home, I think you're really going to want to do some research to determine what is the best nursing home to place your loved one. And there are some very good websites out there right now. Most notably, there's a website called Nursing Home Compare that will give you great information comparing one nursing home, the quality factors of one nursing home versus another. Also, the Medicare website has some good information where it now grades, gives nursing homes an actual grade, you know, A, B, C, D, and so on. So if you're going to put your loved one in a nursing home and you're about to make that decision, you really want to do your homework and do your research before you select a facility.
And of course, this is not to say that all nursing homes in Indiana are awful, because that certainly is not true.
No, there's some good ones.
There are some good ones, but if you have concerns, and that's a difficult decision to have to put a family member or a loved one in a nursing home if you can no longer care for them. So these are just some points where you can kind of double check your facts, just make sure everything's okay. So we're going to take your calls about legal issues. Give us a ring, 483-8331, and we will take the first caller after the break. Stay with us.